Arch Linux versus FreeBSD. Choosing the right operating system can completely change how you manage your computing environment without unnecessary complexity. Arch Linux offers rolling updates and user control, while FreeBSD focuses on stability and advanced networking. Arch Linux and FreeBSD are powerful systems favored by advanced users. Arch Linux is a Linux distribution known for its simplicity and customization, whereas FreeBSD is a Unix-like OS, emphasizing stability and security. The core difference lies in Linux kernel versus BSD kernel architecture. Arch Linux is a lightweight and flexible Linux distribution designed for users who want complete control over their system. It uses a rolling release model, meaning software updates are continuous and always up to date. Arch is built around simplicity, providing a minimal-based system that users customize by installing only the packages they need. This approach gives users the freedom to tailor their environment precisely, supported by the Arch User Repository, which offers a vast selection of community-maintained software. The package manager Pacman handles software installation efficiently. Arch Linux's strengths include its cutting-edge software, extensive documentation, and active community. However, it requires a steep learning curve and manual configuration, which may not suit beginners or those seeking a plug-and-play experience. Ideal users are experienced Linux enthusiasts who value customization, control, and the latest software versions, and who are comfortable troubleshooting and maintaining their system independently. FreeBSD is a Unix-like operating system known for its robustness, security, and advanced networking capabilities. Unlike Linux distributions, FreeBSD is developed as a complete operating system with its own kernel, user land, and documentation. It emphasizes system stability and long-term reliability, making it popular for servers, firewalls, and embedded systems. FreeBSD uses the ports collection, a flexible package management system that allows users to compile software from source or install pre-compiled binaries. Its strengths include a permissive BSD license, advanced networking features, and excellent file system support with ZFS. FreeBSD also benefits from a consistent base system maintained by a central team, ensuring tight integration and security updates. However, it has a smaller community compared to Linux and may lack some of the latest software packages or hardware support. Ideal users are those who prioritize stability, security, and performance, particularly in server environments or for specialized networking tasks. Choosing between Arch Linux and FreeBSD depends on your priorities. Arch Linux excels in offering the latest software with a rolling release model and unmatched customization, perfect for desktop users who want control and flexibility. Its vast community support and documentation make it ideal for learning and experimenting. FreeBSD, on the other hand, prioritizes stability, security, and a cohesive system design, making it the preferred choice for servers and network appliances. While Arch requires hands-on maintenance and troubleshooting, FreeBSD offers a more consistent and secure environment with advanced file system and networking features. Hardware support is broader on Arch due to Linux's kernel, whereas FreeBSD may lag behind in some drivers. In real-world use, Arch is great for those who want a bleeding-edge system, while FreeBSD suits those needing rock-solid reliability in production settings. Choose Arch Linux if you want a highly customizable, cutting-edge system with a strong community and are comfortable managing your own configurations and updates. FreeBSD is recommended for users who value system stability, security, and advanced networking, especially for server or specialized environments. Both systems offer unique strengths, so selecting the right one depends on your specific needs and technical expertise.